Android phones and tablets. If your mobile phone and tablet support DisplayPort output, you can use the cable to directly connect them to the glasses for screen mirroring. If they don't, you need to use the GOOVIS wireless screen projector. Make sure the cable is inserted properly and connect the screen projector to the glasses with a Type-C cable. Press the power button on the screen projector. Now you can see the screen projector's hotspot name and password on the glasses. Turn on the wireless LAN on your Android phone, search for the hotspot, and connect to it. Open Mobile Screen Mirroring on your Android phone and select the SSID of the wireless screen projector. Finally, connect to start screen mirroring. If you want your phone to connect to another Wi-Fi network while still screen mirroring, after connecting to the screen projector hotspot, type 192.168.203.1 in the phone's browser. Enter the screen projector settings. Connect the projector to the Wi-Fi network you want to access. Once the name of the connected Wi-Fi network appears in the upper right corner of the glasses screen, the connection is successful. Open Mobile Screen Mirroring on your Android phone and select the SSID of the wireless screen projector. Finally, connect to start screen mirroring.